Look at that big gorilla back, y'all. Look at her back. Like, crazy. But okay. Just kidding. She's not a gorilla back. But just kidding about that. Oh, look at her. Don't trip.
I'm not gonna trip. Me and the girl.
Oh, hello.
Oh, I stepped in boo-boo, didn't I? Oh, no, I didn't. That was water.
Me and the gang. I almost stepped in boo-boo.
Your mother's so pretty.
Yeah.
Even when she gained 13 pounds. Now, this was the last time I wore this purple bodysuit. I felt so confident. I felt so proud of myself. I felt like I was making progress, which I was. I was in the gym 4 to 5 days a week. I was eating my high protein. I wasn't studying no stomach. I was feeling proud about this ass or lack thereof. I was trying new things. I was going out, spending more time with my daughter, enjoying myself, and now I have to start the shit right back over. But it's always good to have my number one girl right by my side all the time. You ready, girl?
Oh, yeah.
You can make it. You can do it. You can do it.
Ow. Go. Y'all see her?
Well, starting over ain't so bad after all. I am blessed to have the opportunity to try again, get back up and try again. I am disappointed in myself for sabotaging all my success and weight loss when I was motivated, but just as quickly as I gained all that weight, I can lose it again. Until next time.